Hi viewers, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how can you fix that problem. You can see my computer screen is side. You can see my computer screen is side, so I have to fix it. You can see my here, my all button is here, browser is here, everything is here, but my screen is rotate. So I find out a solution for this problem. So today I'm going to show you how can you solve this problem. You can see my eye skin is the upper side, my skin head is downside. So today I'm going to show you how can you solve this problem. So you can see you have to press simple. You have to press Ctrl+Alt+, plus this one if you want to fix. If you want to fix this one also, so you have to press it together. And now you can now after press it, now you can see that my skin is okay. So I want to show you one more thing. If your skin is again rotate, if you another side like this one. Okay, you can see here your skin is like that. So how can you fix it? So you have to press again this one and this one. Okay, you can see and one more thing, you can see your skin is again a side like this side. You can press again, you have to fix it, that one. Then you can see now now you know that how can you fix your that problem. Whatever your skin rotation is, you have to always press together this one and this button together if you want to fix your problem anywhere. I want to show you one more thing, that is if you skin like that, again, then you can fix it. That press Ctrl+Alt+ uppercase. Whatever, now I'm going to tell you that whatever is your skin is, so you have to press there Ctrl+Alt+ and uppercase together. If you press it together, so your problem will be fixed automatically. So now I can show you that my skin is okay now. So now you understand how can you fix your this problem. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos, and if my videos is helpful for you, and if you don't understand my video language is, so just keep watching the video for your solution. Hope you can find a better solution in my channel, on my videos, and stay with my channel for latest update and for your solutions. Thank you so much for watching my videos.